Welcome to SBA Marketing Channel. How to start your coaching business on part-time hours. Do you enjoy guiding people through the process of accomplishing a certain task? Perhaps you answer inquiries from friends or family since it's something you do together. You want to know how to launch a part-time coaching business. Perhaps it's because you enjoy your day work, or perhaps you're not quite ready to leave it yet. One approach to help others and earn extra money is to start a part-time coaching business. You may invest in your passion, increase your retirement savings, or have more money to spend on yourself or your family. You can also set your own hours for work when you run a coaching firm. You can work at your own speed and schedule coaching sessions at times that suit you most. This is how you can launch a part-time coaching business. Specify your objectives. Any endeavor must begin with well-defined goals. Establishing attainable objectives enables you to focus your tasks and make progress toward your goals. Do you intend to operate your coaching business in the long term with part-time hours? How many customers would you like to have at any given time? What monthly income target do you have? 2. Choose the kind of instruction you'll offer. How would you like to instruct? Your current profession or even something you do in your spare time may be connected to the kind of coaching you offer. In order for your clients to sense your enthusiasm for coaching, pick a coaching style that fits with your hobbies. Career counseling, financial counseling, wellness or fitness counseling, career coaching, and business coaching. 3. Make an investment in oneself. You should set an example for your clientele, who will be investing in you for their future development. Invest in your future by obtaining a certification, attending educational courses to expand your knowledge, and developing your reputation. By investing in yourself, you will gain the trust of potential clients by demonstrating your expertise and experience. 4. Arrange what you're going to give. You can market your service more easily and effectively if you outline as much of it as you can. What is the exact procedure you plan to walk others through? What advantage are you going to provide them? Will you provide group sessions, one-on-one coaching, or both? 1:1 Guidance. One-on-one coaching provides a far more customized environment. You'll make time for your clients so they can receive your full attention and guidance. Meetings in groups. Group sessions not only let you reach a larger audience at once, but they may also be more affordable for your customers. 5. Set aside time every week to work on your business's tasks. How would you go about starting a part-time coaching business? Choose the days you will dedicate to working on your business. Set aside particular hours to work on your coaching business if you are flexible with your schedule. Keep things as simple as possible. Our goal when starting a business is to accomplish everything. Take a step back and consider how you might simplify each task you have to complete. 6. Promote your offering. After you've decided on the service you wish to provide, draft a marketing strategy. Choose the amount of hours you wish to dedicate to weekly business promotion. Inquire with those in your network to see if they know anyone who could be interested. Reach out to clients using several channels, such as business directories, coaching, and social media. You will serve as a sounding board for your clients' development as a coach. You can assist them in determining the best course of action or strategy for them. Are you prepared to begin changing the world and instructing others? Plan ahead and take action. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.